this is my codes. So mag-search ka sa doctype HTML. So this is telling the HTML5 and this is the title and the style. Inside the style na ako'y body and then the emoji, the grid, and the cell. So nadara ang yung font, ilang color, and style. So there next is the body of my code. So inside my code na ako'y emoji and then naka-button, naka-on click siya. And then inside that naa ang H2. Saying na Japon siya and the span telling na same line ang line text niya and then the paragraph and the grid is the space where the box cell appear and then the kani siya selected emoji is the tracker of the emoji and then the function is to save the emoji to show above the grid ni siya and then the const grid kay to add the 5 box the inside the loop ay the for loop. So here is naka 1 na siya, so increment siya, so and then less than 6, so 5 boxes, so we call din siya, then the call name is cell, then naka on click and then ang quandary kay when you click the example you put emoji here and then kung imo na siyang i-click so mawala siya, so muna yung purpose. And then the grid append child kay the cell inside the container. So mura ni ako ang code ma'am. And then mo ni ang result niya. The H1 and H2, H3 and then I delete na H3 the paragraph and then the cell and grid. Then click.